exploring and playing. Jace likes to learn new things. This is
The Big Jace Show.
Hello, welcome back to The Big Jace Show. In this video, Jace and his family are heading down toward the south of Thailand to the biggest island called Phuket.
Wow, Jace! Look at this water park. There are lots of rings here. Orange, blue, and red. Go in, Jace! Get into the water. Wow, look at the big shower. It has red, blue, pink, green. Wow! Now the water right here.
Awesome.
Look at this water bucket. Oh, look, the green and blue. I wonder what's the next one. This must be orange and red. Big shower. Yes? Let's go see the mushroom. It's got all kinds of animals on it, isn't it? What do you see, Jake? Yay! Get out here. Hey! Water slide! It's a blue water slide! Go on, Jake! Wow! I want you up, okay? Yes, I will catch you on the other side, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. And then I'm going to be on the other side for you, Jace. I'm coming. Jace, I see you. Come on down. I'm going to catch you. I'm in the water. Here I am. Jace coming. I can see the head. There you go. Okay, hold on. Ready? Let's go. That was fun, wasn't it? That's a big blue water slide. You want to do one more? I want to do one more. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hey, Endo, you want to get on the blue slide too? All right, Alyssa and Jace. Come, I'm doing it too. Let's go. Jace, you have to come this way to this step. Oh, wait, you did it. Oh, can I go first? Okay, thank you. I want to go first. That way I can see you coming down. Okay, Jess and Alyssa, can Mama go first? Oh, here I am. I'm so excited for the water slide. Wait, it's not sliding. Oh, there we go. Okay, who want to go under the bridge? Let's go under the bridge. And you want to swim under the bridge to go check out the other pool?
Yeah, no.
Yes, but we can go swim and come back. And look at that! Wow! Do you see what I see, guys? There's a water shooting down. I'm pulling you. You want to clean your legs by yourself? fridge and there's no sunlight, so the water check the temperature. Woo! Are you frozen? And elephant up there. Elephant and deers. How many deer do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a big deer coming down. There's not a deer, that's out there. Wow. Yeah, big water fountain. Coming. Step to another bridge. Want me to pull you? I pull you. Yes. Wow. Yeah, oh, it's real nice and warm. Alisa, this inside is quite deep. You okay? Yes, you can swim. Yes. Okay, come on out. Yeah. That's the way. We don't want water splash. Ready? Ready to go over there? You're a paid actor. I see you. Oh, I love this green leaf. This green leaf is called bantam leaf. It's a beautiful leaf and it's also very delicious for cooking. Hello. Here's Lavender. Okay. Here's Melissa. And here's Jace. Hi, Jace. Yay! Wanna do it again? No? Alicia's doing it again. You want to? Yes. Hey, Jace. Hey, look at two handsome boys.
It's a fishy.
Yeah. Hey, there's a fish. You're right. You want to go see what's behind the fish? What is over here? Wow, look at the mushroom. This is so much fun, Jace. Let's see what kind of fish. It's a blue mushroom.
Cool.
We can see the seashells there. Fish. Orange fish, starfish, and seashells. Green and pink. Alisa, I spy with my little eyes. Jellyfish. Jace, we are looking for jellyfish. Yes, it's fish tail. Big fish, yeah. And I saw the jellyfish there. Let's get inside, look at it. Woo! Here's a jellyfish. It's got orange and pink, yellow and green. Here's a yellowfish. What else do we see here? Seashell, starfish, green, yellow, and green. This is so much fun. It's half the pentagon shape. And it's got all kinds of colors. Beach volleyball. It's got blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, and purple. Wait a minute. The pentagon shapes also have different colors. This one is black. This is red. This is so much fun. Let's go. Wait. Okay, Alisa. What do you find, Jace? or purple? 1, 2, 3. Purple. This lobster is pink. Your fish is
Blue.
Oh, of course, Lisa got the new goggles. What color is your goggles? Pink? Oh, wait a minute. It's not a goggle. It's a snorkel. How do you use it? Put on your mouth and you can breathe with your goggles. Okay.
Awesome.
Okay. Jace, what's all in your dump truck? Show me your dump truck. Wait a minute, Jace. Your dump truck have orange and green, just like your floaty. Your life jackets have orange and green. Yeah.
Cool.
And what else you have? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 race cars. Wait, Jace, each one of them have names. This one is called Tower. It's number 33. This one is Super. Number? What's Super number? 2. It's 5. It's right. This one is for Sport. Number 81. Yes. This one is Top Driver. Number 88. And this one is Top Racing. Number 57. That's number 2. And that's his name is Super. Yeah, Super.
Wow.
Sport, Top Driver, and Top Racing. Whoa! Wait a minute. Where did it go? It sinks. That's right. It sinks. Yeah, you ready to use it? Oh, look, it's a ramp. That's the ramp for your car to come down. I can see it coming. That's power. God bless you. Yeah? Uh-huh. Yes. Try that. Uh-huh. I like it. Whoa. Got it, yeah? You're
Awesome.
rescuing him. Thank you, Jace. What about the other one? Would they all sing or float? All sing? 1. Okay, what about the next one?
Cool.
1. Purple, green, red and white, yellow, and red. Wow! I love your new card.
Cool.
Yeah, you don't like those too much? You like these 3 guys better? Yeah? They look like they're dirty. No, they're not. They got a splashy print on. It's super fun. Look. Wow. They're all ready to rest into the pool, Jace. Hold on, someone else is here. Your big dump truck. What you gonna do with your dump truck? Yeah? Wow, look at that. Is this gonna sink? Wait, it's floating. Oh, you're putting
Wow.
the in it. Okay. It's floating, Jace. It's floating. Yay. You think if you put a lot of cars in, it's gonna sink? I don't know. It's floating right now. Yeah? Yes, it's floating right now. Uh-oh. gonna dump them out? Oh, the yellow one is going back in the pool water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You wanna put it there in the middle? Yeah. Okay, there you go. Hey, look at that. That's awesome, Jace. Now
Awesome.
you're gonna put them back into the water. Oh, it's floating. The truck is floating, Jace. It's sinking slowly. The water's getting it. I can see how much water. You make it sink even deeper. You want to show me how you dive? You want to show me how you snorkel? Okay, give me 1 second, okay? Okay, Alyssa gonna show us how to snorkel. Ready? Okay. Swim and breathe in the water.
Cool.
Thank you, Alyssa. Thank you. Any cards with you? Okay, you want to bring your dump truck? Yes. Wow. Your dump truck is going into the little pool in the little water park. Wow, Jace,
Cool.
look at this. It's amazing. I can see 3 rings. Look at this green pole. It helps you when you get down. You can hold on to it. And here's a beautiful ring. Red, blue, and this is orange. It's a little bit lighter color now. Look at this. How fun. We're gonna go in it. Ready? Look at what I did. I just got into the ring. Let's bring your truck to go inside the ring with us. What happened? You dumped them out? Let's go in.
Oh my goodness.
You follow me, okay? You ready? Oh wait, you're gonna lead me. Okay, let's follow Jace. Let's follow Jace. This looks amazing. It has blue, pink, dark blue, light blue, dark blue, light blue, dark blue, green, blue, pink, blue, and red. Wait a minute. There's one here and one somewhere where Jace is at. Oh, Jace, look at this bucket.
Awesome.
Green bucket. And here's a red one. Oh, another blue one. Orange. Blue. Red. Wow, this is so much fun. Where did Jace go? I wonder where Jace went. Jace. Hello, Jace. Hello, Jace. Where did Jace go? Wait a minute. I see a dump truck. These look like Jace's dump truck. I wonder if Jace is here. There you are.
Oh my
Is it here?
goodness.
Look, it's a ramp.
Cool.
It's a pushchair and a lamp. Pushchair and a ramp. Oh. Wow. That is awesome.
Bonk.
Oh, where did it go? Ta-da! That is so much fun. Hi, Jace. Uh-oh. It jumped into the pool and sink down. You rescue it? Did you get it out? Good.
Awesome.
Yeah, okay. You want to go play in there again? Let's go. Let's go play in here again. Yeah, do one more time here. Yeah? Yeah? Yes. Wow, look at the big jump. That is amazing. Wow. That's the biggest jump, Jace. Oh, oh.
Oh my goodness.
It didn't land in the pool. You want to try it again? You don't want it to land on the ground? You want to land it on the pool? Okay.
Uh-oh.
I think it's too far. Ready? She's checking her goggles. Are they tight? Yeah? Not good. Not good. Okay, I think she's ready now. Okay. Yeah? You want to go on the water slide? It's okay. Yeah, look.
After swimming and playing in the pool, now it's time for us to have some food.
Oh yeah, I think I had a passion fruit candy in Thailand. In the Central City area.
After dinner, Jace was doing yoga with mom. Maybe more of the play yoga. Until it was time for Jace and his siblings to go watch the most amazing things, the Thai dancing. Hi children, please make sure not to try to play with the fire at home. These performances are done by professional performers. Please make sure that you only watch and enjoy it. Do not try to do it at home. Thank you so much. these performances were done by professional performers. Please do not try to do it at home. Thank you. A photo with a fairy bird? Yeah?
Yeah, Jace does.
Yeah, Jace do? You want to see them up close? Okay, come. Here, you want to have a picture with them? Yeah. Okay, just Jace. Okay. Wow. Okay, Jace, turn around, honey. Smile.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out more videos of the Big Jace Show. Bye. See you next time.